Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here to share the images I started coloring on my live the other day, and I thought I'd just share them completed with you. Excuse me. So here's the guy. Got them all cut out nicely. A little gal. And a steampunk puppy. And she's a kitty cat. What I didn't like about this one is they cut off her legs. I don't know why. I wouldn't have bought it if I'd have known that. And then I have the steampunk pumpkin. Steampunk dragon. Steampunk gal. Steampunk bird. Fairy steampunker. More fairy than steampunk, but I colored her anyways. Steampunk fairy. Steampunk girl. Steampunk elephant. Steampunk girl. No steampunk girl. Steampunk girl. She's my favorite. And last but least, fairy steampunk. I think they turned out really well for being small images. I'm used to doing bigger images, but I got them done. All 20 of them. I hope that you like some. So, thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good Saturday. Sorry when I'm on Scott's schedule. I forget what day it is. It's Saturday. So have a good day, everybody. Bye.